Hi, I'm Dr. Dan Butterman, and this is the CDOCS tip of the day. One of the things that I really like with the Prime Scan and the accuracy that we have with it is being able to make night guards or occlusal splints. Now, these could be things that you make in office and print on your own, or you can send them to a lab to do. If you want to have a night guard that's produced with very little occlusal adjustments, it's important that we send a proper bite to the lab. So if we have the patient just close-in-centric, that's not going to leave enough material room thickness, and potentially as the models become articulated or disarticulated to make room for the material, there could be inaccuracies. So what I like to do is set up a leaf gauge bite, and the way we're going to do that is we're going to choose enough leaves, enough thickness of this gauge so that we've created enough room for the material. Typically about 2 millimeters, 2 to 3 millimeters is going to be perfect for a traditional night guard. Now I like to have the patient slide into protrusive first, and then we're going to move them back into more of a centric position, and I have them squeeze a little bit. And that's going to be the position that we're going to record the bite at. This will give us an accurate bite, and it's going to leave enough room for the material as it's created. So just this quick tip of being able to create that open bite is probably going to save quite a bit of time for adjustment, and these leaf gauges can be easily purchased. They're very inexpensive to do. I hope this information was helpful, and if you would like to see more, please visit us at cdocs.com. Thank you.